So what do you think? Is it possible that we could garden Mars?
Yes, obviously, definitely yes. The question though is, how do you deal with things like maybe some areas have really high levels of salts, high levels of perchlorates. Luckily, perchlorates dissolve in water. So, and we know there's a lot of water on Mars. So there's ice, and under the surface, there's likely water. So if you wash the soil, you should be able to use it maybe with some additives, because obviously for kids who don't understand, soil is not just little bits of ground up rock. The way the soil is on Mars, there's organic matter, there's things that change the density of it. And so you have to think, do I have to add something to that soil? But when you consider really successful gardens or greenhouses here on Earth tend to use raised beds, they tend to use soils that they amend. Either it's too much clay here on the Earth or it's too much sand. And so we'd have to do the same thing on Mars. We'd just have to do a little extra work, and then it would be fine, because basalt is actually one of the main rocks here on Earth. It's the main rock on Mars. It has things like iron, magnesium, that plants like, nutrients. And that's a lot of what basalt is. There's all kinds of nutrients that ground up basalt gives to plants that we need here on Earth and we would need on Mars.